get your mo.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Going back to the last video where we didn't get the 79 loaded onto John's trailer. We're actually going to be using our gooseneck today. My buddy Mitch is bringing over his white excuse me, his white Cummins. I used it a time or two, so he's going to come over. We already got the gooseneck raised up. We're just waiting on him. So don't know how much footage we're going to get today because my battery's dying, and the other one I don't think was on the charger. So yeah, we're just going to roll with it, see what we can do, and we're going to go from there. Hold it right there for a second. Well, guys, I didn't get a video of us loading it just because it was Mitch and I was driving and he was guiding me on and really didn't want to try and run over the camera or anything. But we got it over there. John's going to go ahead and start looking at it. Probably not today. He said he'll probably start on it tomorrow just because it is Mother's Day. But huge thank you to Mitch again for helping me out with this. I don't know when I'm going to get the 98 back, so I just decided to ask him. He said no problem. He's getting diesel fuel now. And then we're gonna run in and probably grab some food just because everything's still closed and you can't go in. I don't think we're gonna make it through the drive-thru with the gooseneck on the back of it. So we're gonna grab food and then I'll pick you guys up when we get back to the house. And I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll find something to do. So sit back and stay tuned, guys. So guys, we got the 79 delivered. I'm not sure when the 98 is going to be back, like I said. So I kindly asked Mitch if he would help. He said sure. So like I said again, a huge thank you to Mitch for coming in clutch on helping me. We got the gooseneck all put back right there. I went up and showed Mitch the new shop because he hasn't seen it yet. So we did that. I got a surprise coming for the 98. The guy's gonna meet me, I think he said around 3 o'clock today. So I'm basically just gonna hang out until he gets here or says he's on the way. I'm super excited. I think you guys will be too. But like I said, I'm not sure. I'm gonna try and call the transmission shop tomorrow because I don't want to bug them, but I just want an update on my truck. Hopefully they'll understand. But anyway, guys, I'll probably continue this video on later today. I was gonna try and get it uploaded here, but I was like, I'm just gonna make it one big video. So once the surprise gets here, we'll just continue on. So I'll see you then. Okay guys, so I know I told you just to hang out. We actually have the surprise for the 98 right here. The guy just dropped it off for me. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. It is Moto Metal 962 18 by 12s. I was gonna buy these brand new because I wanted the 18 by 12s on the 79 for a while, but I just didn't feel like spending the money. That's why I went with the ion alloys. I think those are a negative 38 offset, I think, and these are the negative 44, obviously. But these should fit no problem. The tread is about the same as what's on the 98 already. There's a little curb rash on this one here. There's a little spot there, a little spot there, and then a little scuff. But that's no problem. We're gonna go ahead and get those cleaned up, and then we'll get them polished, get like a ceramic coating put on them. So I'm excited. Like I said, the tread, I mean, there's some tread life left there. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell. It kind of looks bald on camera, but it's not bad. There, maybe you can tell a little bit better there. It's not bad at all. About the same as what's on the truck already. So I plan on getting new ones anyway. I can get new rubber for probably anywhere from, I think it's like $700 to $1,000. So we're gonna go ahead and once I get the 98 back, test fit these and see what it's like, and then if I can get my wheels and tires sold, then I'll probably take that money and put new tread on these right away. These are the exact same height, just a little bit wider. These are 33s. Obviously they're 12.5 wide versus, I don't even remember what's on the 98 now, because I know the 98's a 305, and that's exactly what this one is. It's a 305 65 18, obviously 18-inch rim, and 65 millimeters wide. I don't remember what's on the 98 now, but I know it's a negative 38 offset. These are a negative 44 offset. They do look a little bit bigger for some reason, but I just think it's because I haven't seen the 98 in a while. But I'm excited to get these tossed on there, and yeah. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. That was the surprise. I can't wait to get this stuff on. So yeah, remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.